Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a mirror on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench, a trim removal tool, and a new mirror assembly. It's crucial to have the correct mirror for your specific Ram 1500 model. Before starting, always disconnect your truck's battery to avoid any electrical problems. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process from the very beginning. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This will expose the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Next, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions. Finally, use your socket wrench to unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting nuts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Once these are off, the old mirror can be removed. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the studs with the holes. Hand tighten the 3 or 4 mounting nuts, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical harness to the new mirror. Before replacing the door panel, reconnect the battery and test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and turn signals. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Reconnect the battery if you haven't already. Give your new mirror a final check, ensuring all power adjustments, heating, and turn signal functions work perfectly. This completes your mirror replacement. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping your truck in top shape is easy with the right tools and information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.